Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what are the critical stages of penetration testing. When a company on regular basis perform penetration testing, it will help them to understand the current situation of their security postures, whatever the security settings policies they have implemented in their organization, how strong it is, how well they are standing against the cyber attacks. Okay, so it just give us the true picture with the proof, yes, our security settings are correct or where we are lacking, and in what way we can improve our security settings or security postures so that the hackers will not be able to find out the loopholes which are existing in our security settings, and we will be able to patch them before any critical damage to our organization or any critical attack will happen in our organization. So penetration testing really very helpful for our organization from saving different cyber attacks. Okay, and so what are the different stages? Being a cybersecurity professional, when we want to perform or just you want to perform a penetration testing, what stages you need to perform or what methodologies you need to settle down. Yes, this is the methodology I'm just going to perform. It's depend upon penetration tester to tester. Okay, what type of the requirement, but you must have some methodology, some defined stages, so that you can perform, yes, I am on that stage now, I need to do certain tasks, now just move ahead on the next stage. Okay, so in the pre-engagement interaction means a penetration tester, first they will agree with the company who are offering them the who are just give them an offer to just do the penetration testing for their organization. Okay, here just you clear all the groundwork. You will just need to understand the legal implications. Okay, what are your scope, what the company is asking, clear cut you need to note it down, each and every aspect of your penetration testing scope. Okay, either they are looking for certain server to pen test, a network, complete company. Okay, and what manpowers you need, either they don't want to tell their staff that some penetration testing is happening. Okay, or what information they are just giving to you, whether it will be just totally black hat. Okay, or it will be just they will just provide you some information or no information or the complete information. It depends upon what the information you are having. So at pre-stages, we are, before performing any action, we just settle down the groundwork for our penetration testing. Clear? And then we move to the next, after just agreement with the company, just clearing all the stage, all the legal requirements, you just sign the contract, and after that you will move to the reconnaissance or the OSINT. Okay, on a company you will just try to find out without directly interacting with their resources, where their assets, you will just try to from open source, either that's or internet you are using, whether you are using search engines. Okay, or just you are trying to find the domain name, what's the IP address that's associated with what the DNS of that particular company, employees, their email addresses. Just you also do some kind of you can say social engineering. So here is, without directly interacting with the client, okay, or with the organization, you will, being an outsider, you will just collect maximum of the information. This is very important stage because it will give you a solid information to perform the which will help you to perform the attack on the next stage. Clear? After just collecting the information in the reconnaissance stage, you will just move ahead. Now I have something, I need to move ahead to know more about that company, and then you will go for the threat modeling or the vulnerability identification. You will move little bit more towards that company and will try to find out, okay, right now you know, for example, what are the OS their web server is using, okay, and what ports are open on it. Clear? You know what kind of applications are running over there, what the nowadays what are the vulnerabilities exist on the certain OS or the version of the application they are using. And as per those information, when you will collect in this stage, next stage, vulnerability identification, as per this information you will design or you will choose your exploit, your a virus, you can say your Trojan, your commands. You will perform the attack at that level, okay. So you will choose the vulnerability, okay, for my this vulnerabilities, this attack I'm just going to launch, and you will just perform the attack. And after that attack, you will somehow, either by sending the social engineering or the phishing email, you entered into the organization. Now you are just trying to get the complete picture of organization, what are the network, what are the different pieces. Just you are pivoting from one system to the another system, one network to the another network, trying to get the more evidence you are inside, and you can perform this kind of exfiltration or deletion something, or just you can just leave the payloads over there, so that for backdoor, if the user will restart their system, then how just you can stay long after that restart as well. So just we will leave the back door and collect the maximum of the proof. Yes, this is the vulnerabilities exist in your network, just, and as per those vulnerability, whether that's on Wi-Fi or the network, on the OS, on the server, on the applications, you will collect the complete detail of it, because you need to present that information to the your company, okay, where for them you are performing the penetration testing, okay. After just doing this one, you will analyze this is the vulnerabilities, because you also need to give recommendations from your side. You say, okay, this vulnerability exists in this way, and I just perform that attack, this is the proof, and these are the things you can do to secure your network, okay. Maybe you will find some malicious applications or vulnerable application over there, so just to update your systems, or just you are just going to give the complete recommendations for that. And whatsoever the payload malware you installed, you will remove all of them, because if you leave all these things at that place, hackers can come and can perform the attack, understand. So, and just remove all the traces, all the garbage from their systems what you have implanted over there. And after that, you will just design a report where you clear cut, you will present, yes, this I have done, I found that those vulnerabilities, and this the way I exploited is, here is the proof, okay. And this way you can convince them, and you will help them for making their security postures better, and you will help them to secure their companies data assets from the hacker, okay. So there are different stages which you can perform being a penetration tester. when you get contract of pen testing. Okay, so share that video with your friends, group members, so that they can also understand different stages of pen testing, and also follow me on the cybersecurity prism. See you in the next video. Namaste.